Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Thessalonica. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you. So for this video, we're going to be using the almond short tips that I sell in my Etsy shop. Like always, the link to my Etsy shop is down below, and these are soft gel full nail covers. I do have a new shape coming in stock soon, so be prepared because I'm super excited for those. But all I'm doing is taking my full nail covers and I'm sizing them out to my nails. I'm making sure that they fit wall to wall, and as you can see, these are super cute, super easy to use, super convenient if you're not a long nail type of girl like me. I like long nails here and there, but these are very practical if you have a lot to do day to day. So yeah, all I'm doing is going in and sizing those. So for my dapping dish, I'm going to be using this clear crystal piece that I got from TJ Maxx. It's super cute, and for my slip solution today, I'm going to be using alcohol. So for my Polygel, I'm going to be using Beetles in shade 94. The bottle makes it look like the Polygel would be purple, but it's actually this really pretty light pink shade. And before we do anything, we're going to go ahead and take our UV LED protection gloves. These gloves are perfect if you do nails often like me. They're super comfortable, and you definitely want to make sure that you're taking care of your hands, because too much exposure to that UV LED light is bad for your hands, bad for your skin in general, and it could lead to premature aging, wrinkling, darkening, a whole bunch of negative side effects. So I definitely recommend purchasing these. I do sell them in my Etsy shop as well. I'm currently sold out, but they will be restocking within the next 2 weeks. But I do have a link to pre-order if you're interested. But yeah, for this part, it's super easy. All I'm going to do is go in with my Polygel brush. I'm going to make sure that as you can see, the cuticle area is flushed and that it's flattened compared to the rest of the nail. So I showed you a real good close-up. As you can see, the cuticle area is really flushed, and then I'm just going to make the rest of the nail thicker than the cuticle area. If you happen to use too much Polygel, what you can do is you can go ahead, take some of that and stick it into another full nail cover. And this is nice because it allows you to reuse your product and not waste any product. So yeah, I'm just going to apply it to my nail. Another tip, you can do multiple nails at one time. So if you want to eliminate the time that your hand is in that UV lamp, you can go ahead and stick a few on like I do and then cure all at once. So I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. So now that my nails are all finished, I'm just going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe the tops and bottoms of my nails down, because polygel definitely leaves a little bit of a sticky residue, and you want to do this before we begin filing. So I'm using an 80/80 grit file that I purchased from Amazon. I believe I got this in like a pack of 50 and it was super cheap and inexpensive. So I have an Amazon storefront that I always link down below. And if you guys are interested in anything that I purchase, it's always down in the description box in my Amazon storefront. So I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my storefront and a link to it down below. Soft gel full nail covers make shaping super easy. If you have problems shaping like me, I definitely recommend giving these a try. All I'm really doing is cleaning up and making sure that the tops of my nails are rounded to how I like it. But it's super easy. Shaping is a breeze with these. So now I'm going to take a brush and brush off my nails and give my nails a quick wipe down with some alcohol again. For polygel or for gel polish today, I'm going to go ahead and use Beetle's white polish in this nail palette that I got off of Shein. I'm going to be doing a French design, but it's kind of an abstract, different French design. And for my nail art tool brush, I'm going to be using, I think I used this one that I got off of Shein, but I might have used that other one that I'm pulling out now. But I'm just going to use a brush that has a super thin line for this design today. Another hack that I really loved was the nail stamp hack that went viral on TikTok, and I'm going to be using that hack today as well. So I'm going to be using these nail stampers that I purchased off of Amazon, and it comes in a set of 3 for a really great price, and I do have these linked in my Amazon storefront as well. So using this nail stamper is super easy. All you do is swipe some gel polish on there and literally stamp it on, and it gives you the perfect shape. I'm going for a slanted French nail art design look. So as you can see, it's super cute and super simple, but I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me do these designs. Also, throughout this whole process, I did mess up multiple times, and I had to, remove the gel polish and start all over again. And I just want to encourage, it's okay. Nobody is perfect. If you mess up, especially with polygel, it can be difficult in the beginning, but I promise you'll get the hang of it soon. So just keep trying, don't give up, and remember, nobody's perfect, and patience is key when it comes to nails. So for my top coat, I'm going to be using this no wipe top coat from the brand NKK. I did not link it in my last video and you guys chewed me up for it, but I'm going to link it in this video for sure. I love this top coat because it's a shimmer top coat, like a subtle glitter, very subtle glitter. So I'm just going to go ahead and top off my nails. Last up, and my favorite step, is doing cuticle oil. I love these pens. I'm using the scent Strawberry, and if you guys are interested, I do also sell these in my Etsy shop. They're super convenient, super easy to use, and I just love them. They're so convenient. You can just throw them in your purse and go. But yeah, I'm just going to hydrate my cuticles and we should be all set. So here are the final results. I love this nail design. It's super cute and simple. If you guys try this nail design out, let me know and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on Thursday. Hope you have a great start to your week. Bye.